Why did you just yawn after seeing this? One yawn, then everyone yawns. Yawning is contagious because of mirror neurons in your brain. Mirror neurons make you copy actions you see, like yawning. It's linked to empathy and social bonding. People with stronger empathy are more likely to catch yawns. Your brain copied it before you noticed. Follow for daily science.